Hello, everyone, and welcome back to episode 9 of Navigating Your Career Path with Professor Bandopadhyay. In the last video, we have seen how we can define an ideal balanced life for each of us. We have also seen how our own values, goals, and circumstances shape what balanced life means to us. So, it's a very personal and ever changing idea. So, sir, our next step is to ideate our future. That is, develop and implement a practical roadmap to a satisfying future using a method known as Odyssey planning. Can you please elaborate on that?
Derived from the Stanford University's conceptualization on designing your life, the purpose of Odyssey planning for designing your life is to generate a wide range of ideas and possibilities. This involves brainstorming and other creative techniques to explore different options and solutions. The term Odyssey typically refers to a long and eventful journey, often with adventures and challenges along the way. Odyssey plans are a structured way to explore different potential futures and make decisions based on this exploration. This exploration has 4 steps. The first one, imagine multiple futures. Here, you identify and outline several different paths or scenarios that you could take in your life or career. Then comes mapping out each path. For each path, map out steps, milestones, and experiences you would encounter along the way. Then you explore consequences. Figure out the impact of each plan on the 8th segment of a wheel of life. These steps help you to make informed decisions. However, the last 3 steps, that is mapping out each path, explore consequences, and make informed decision, requires thorough knowledge about your chosen path. This will be discussed in the next video under prototyping and testing, where we will discuss how to find out which path resonates most with you. But now let us see, how do you envision different versions of your life? Let's take an example. Suppose I have completed a BA in sociology. What are my options? Looking at this diagram, you can see that I could go straight into the workforce, or pursue a BA and enter into the teaching profession, or choose to do an MBA and explore corporate opportunities. I could also opt for an MA in sociology or in some other field like public policy or media science. And if I choose to do my master's, I could study either in India or abroad. After completing my master's, I could either take up a job or continue with a PhD. Now, for each path, you have to map out the steps, milestones, and experiences you would encounter along the way. You have to imagine the potential consequences of each path, both positive and negative. Then you can analyze the impact of each chosen path on different segments of your wheel of life. But to do this, you need to do what we call prototyping and testing. That is, doing a virtual experiment with your life plan, which will be discussed in our next video.
Thank you, sir. So, after configuring different life versions, our next step is to gather knowledge and to do virtual experimentation with each version to finally select one. That will be the topic of our concluding video. Harness the concept of prototyping and testing to experiment with and evaluate your life choices. If you have liked our videos so far, consider dropping a follow and turn on the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching.